Hi, I'm Joan, but most of my friends call me the Crepe Queen because I make wedding cakes out of crepes. And today I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to decorate your beautiful little crepe cakes. Now this is a miniature crepe cake. It has only 10 layers and the diameter is 6 inches. If you've got a few moments, go back to some of my past videos to learn how to make the batter, how to make a perfectly round crepe, and how to make the ganache, and finally how to build it. Today though is the exciting part. We're going to garnish this little beauty, and I'm going to show you how. Now, as you know, it's holiday season, so we've got unique and seasonal decoratives today that I want to share with you. First of all, I like to take all natural items, seasonal items when I'm decorating, and I play with it, placing a little bit of greenery on the plate. Oh, isn't this pretty? So a little contrast, different texture. I'm actually designing a little bit of a little story in itself, a little decorative area next to the cake. Now, in addition, I like to pop it with a little color of the season. Now this rose is just a little bit too large for this miniature, this tiny little cake, so I'm just going to take off some of the outside blooms. Oh, it's tipping a little bit. That's good. And a little bit of a lily. Let me take a look. Oh, that's nice. Now, again, I like to reflect the season when I'm making a design. So I've got these beautiful glazed pecans. Once again, you can look at my YouTube video to see how to make them. To me, they remind me a little bit of pine cones. Very natural for the season. And actually, I'm going to just sprinkle them on here. I want a nice representation. I try to get the non-broken ones. I do want them to be beautiful because we eat with our eyes. Sometimes I'll scatter a few on the edge of the plate as though they're trying to escape. Ah, looking good. But I think these pecans are saying to me they'd like to be in a decoration on top. You know, I make wedding cakes, but I'm not a big one for toppers. I like to do just something very natural for the top of my cake. And this is just a sweet, pretty little design. Now, I like where we're going with this. However, it needs a little sparkle because this is a holiday cake. So I'm going to just get some pomegranates going. How pretty is that with that red sparkle going? A few fall off, I don't care. Now, you're probably wondering what I'm going to be doing with this cake. Well, I'm all dressed up and I'm going to be meeting some friends for lunch, and I'm going to bring them a cake as a little gift surprise. How much fun is that? But you know, it is the season, and there's no better time to get glitzy and glittery than at holiday time. So what I have here are some graffiti sprinkles. These are, it's a new product. I love it. You can see it here. Graffiti sprinkles are unique in that the center is chocolate crispy. It's not a dragelle or dragoo, whatever is typically in the round balls that could break your teeth. This has a soft, a crispy little chocolate crisp in it that's very tender, and they taste great. They come in all different colors. I happen to like a natural white or metallics. They come in different sizes, and if you check out my description, you'll notice that I have a link with a 10% off coupon. It's looking good, but what do you think is missing? It's a powdered sugar, because this is that winter time with the snow. And I think we have got a great looking cake. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make a very simple seasonal crepe cake. And I hope you'll join me next month as we get into dining on a dime with crepes, as we get into Valentine's Day and so much more. And I will be showing you how to go from a miniature cake to a grand and fabulous wedding cake. Thanks again for joining me. Please be sure to like this channel and to subscribe. And I can't wait to see you soon. Have a happy holiday, and I'll see you soon.